So if we want to use multiple conditions separately, we can use multiple if statements. So here I've used in line 2, 4 and 6, 3 if statements. In line 2, I have typed the variable a after the if keyword. So when line 2 is executed, a holds the value 10, which returns a boolean true, and hence this message in line 3 will be printed. When line 4 is executed, we know a is 10, which is greater than 0, hence this line of code will be printed. Similarly, on line 6, a is less than 100, hence line 7 will be printed. So when I hit run, we can see all three messages are printed here. A nested if else statement is basically an if else statement inside either an if block or an else block. Here, there is an if else statement nested inside an if block. It's very important that you indent each line of code correctly so that the code runs smoothly. For example, we have the if statement here which checks the condition for A. A will return true. Now this if statement is true. Now it will execute the entire if block and it will ignore the else block. Now inside the if block, first it will print this message on line 3. Next, when it goes to line 4, now it will again check for the condition whether a is greater than 0, which is true, and now this nested if block of code will be executed and the nested else block will be ignored. Just keep in mind that the else block is optionary, and even if we remove this else block and hit run, still the code will work.